The doors that promise safety become our prisons. But we know what happened to the disciples when the Spirit came upon them at Pentecost. It opened the doors of their fearfulness. As the apostles waited, locked away in their fears, they experienced a stirring within themselves. The powerful wind that filled the house stirred the uncertainty that had paralyzed their hearts. The darkness that had filled their minds dissolved before a light which gave direction to their lives. The Spirit enabled them both to understand, to be understood. They began to speak of love that they had known with Jesus Christ and were immediately understood. The divisions which had divided the peoples no longer stood in the way. Parthians, Medes, and Elamites were no longer conscious of their differences which drove them apart. Now they were united in a single longing expressed in the language of love, which every nation, every heart can understand. So with the receiving of the Holy Spirit, we get the power to forgive ourselves, to forgive others. We have the power to express our compassion and love for others at our home place, at our workplace. The Holy Spirit encourages us to build on the positive talents, gifts we receive from God.